Most beginners don't fail because Canva is difficult. They fail because they follow shortcuts, trends, and copied ideas that never work in the real world. Today, I'm breaking down 5 mistakes that stop creators, whether you're in India, the US, or anywhere, from ever making money with digital products. Fix these, and you immediately separate yourself from 95% of Canva beginners. Mistake 1: designing without intent. Opening Canva and randomly mixing fonts and colors is not design. That's guesswork. Small business owners, whether in Mumbai, Dubai, or New York, buy templates for one reason: clarity, ease, results. If your design doesn't help their business communicate better, it won't sell. Blunt truth: if your templates look good but don't solve a problem, they have no value. Mistake 2: creating for every industry. This mistake is global, but Indian beginners especially do this out of fear. I'll make templates for fitness, beauty, pet brands, fashion, restaurants, salons, and you end up looking like everyone else. Niche equals to trust. Trust equals to sales. Blunt truth: if your customers can't see themselves in your work immediately, they'll go to someone who speaks directly to them. Pick one niche, go deep, become known. Mistake 3: ignoring the mobile reality. Here's the truth: most small businesses edit their content on phones, especially in India. Reels, shorts, stories, WhatsApp businesses, posts, all mobile first. And when you design everything on desktop, your templates break on mobile. But if you design on mobile for mobile users, your templates feel custom made for them. Blunt truth: if you're selling digital products in 2025-26, mobile first design isn't optional, it's the advantage. Mistake 4: selling without showing value. Posting new template, link in bio, doesn't work. Not in India, not globally. People buy when they see how the design works, how it saves time, how it makes their brand look clean, how it improves their marketing. Your content should demonstrate thinking, not chase attention. Blunt truth: if you want sales, stop announcing products and start demonstrating value. Mistake 5: copying trends instead of learning design. Copying someone else's layout might get you views, but it will never build skills. When you copy, you don't understand hierarchy, you don't understand spacing, you don't know why something converts, you don't know how to adapt it to a niche. And that's why most beginners hit a ceiling. Blunt truth: if your ideas come scrolling from other creators, you'll always stay one step behind them. Learn the principles, then innovate. If you want honest, practical guidance on building a real digital product business using Canva Mobile, strong design systems, and proof backed strategies, this channel is for you. No shortcuts, no hype, just skill building and real world design thinking. Subscribe and follow along. Your future business will thank you.